two versions of a PowerPoint presentation. How can I do that using compareDocs? In addition to comparing Word or PDF documents, it is possible to compare two versions of a PowerPoint presentation, or two versions of an Excel spreadsheet. In this skill, we will be comparing two versions of a PowerPoint presentation. The process is the same for Excel documents. Here, we have already selected the PowerPoint presentations we want to compare. We'll select the PowerPoint option as the document output. Now, we'll click the View button. The original version of our presentation opens in PowerPoint. The Revisions pane is open on the right, showing a list of the changes. We're positioned at the first change, so we'll click the icon between slides 2 and 3 to see the changes at this position. A tip opens, which indicates what has changed. In this case, a slide has been added in the modified version. We'll click the checkbox. The new slide is now visible. To view the next change, we'll click the Slide 11 Resource Requirements item in the list of presentation changes. As before, we'll click the checkbox to view the deletion. The deleted text is now visible. Lastly, we'll click the Insertions After Risks and Rewards item in the list of changes. We'll click the checkbox to view the insertion. The slide added to the modified version is now visible. We have compared two PowerPoint presentations and reviewed the changes. Now it's your turn. We have selected the PowerPoint presentations to be compared. Select the appropriate document output. Now run the comparison. How would you view the changes between slides 2 and 3? How would you display the inserted slide? Use the Presentation Changes list to view the changes to slide 11. How would you view the deletion? Use the Presentation Changes list to view the changes after the Risks and Rewards slide. How would you view the insertion? You have compared two PowerPoint presentations and reviewed the changes. You have reached the end of this topic. Click the Exit button on the navigation bar below to finish.